The pause in the printing of ballot forms for the upcoming BARM parliamentary polls has been lifted to resume tomorrow. And there will be no changes in the form, appearance, and text content of the official ballot form after the proposed redistricting bill to accommodate seats for Sulu province ran out of time. Our Luisa Elispe fills us in with a lot more.
The Commission on Elections, or COMELEC, will start the printing of the official ballots tomorrow for the first BARM parliamentary elections. This is after a week-long wait for the en banc to decide whether to abide by the proposed bill, redistributing the parliamentary districts in the region to give way for the 7 seats supposed to be allocated for Sulu. The poll body explained they will not follow the proposed bill and they cannot wait any longer for the Bangsamoro Transition Authority to sign the bill into law.
Mukha po kasi hindi na namin kayang hintayin pa at this point yung inaasahan na batas sapagkat hanggang ngayon matapos ito ay magkaroon ng third and final reading sa parlamento noong nakaraang linggo ay hindi pa rin ito napipirmahan.
For the printing tomorrow, everything will be status quo, or in other words, only a continuation of the first printing process they did. There will be no changes on the ballots, and there was no reconfiguration done. The deployment of the election paraphernalia will also be based on their original plan and the first distribution of districts with only 73 seats.
Wala po kaming babaguhin sa aming pong pinagandaan, wala pong babaguhin sa mukha ng balota, wala magbabago sa listahan ng mga kandidato at kahit yung none of the above ay mananatiling naandyan. At kung ano yung plano namin sa deployment ng lahat ng kagamitan, balota, machines at iba pang gamit ay mananatili kahit yung mga timeline at timetables namin.
The poll body wants the printing tomorrow to be a symbol and a sign that the elections in BARM will proceed on October 13.
Sana maunawaan tayo ng mga kababayan na ayaw po natin mapagbintangan na baka hindi matutuloy ang halalan sa October 13. Ganong lagi at sinasabi natin ang hayagan, tuloy na tuloy ang eleksyon sa October 13 sa Bangsamoro.
Along with the printing, the campaign period for the candidates and the political parties in the region will also start tomorrow. COMELEC will not only tighten their security, but will also look closely into possible vote-buying schemes.
Lahat po ng mga authorities ng kontrabigay, yung committee, task force KKK natin, yung ating pong task force SAFE on anti-discrimination at naandyan pa rin po yung sa baklas natin, ipapatupad po natin yan. Subalit siyang vote buying, hindi pwede mamayagpag na parang ordinaryo lang na bentahan sa palengke o kaya sa sari-sari store. Hindi po papayag ang COMELEC. Again, we will not hesitate to disqualify candidates katulad ng pinatunayan na namin. At hindi rin po kami magdadalawang isip na filean sila ng mga kasong kriminal.
The poll body said there will be no special treatment within the region. They asked for candidates and parties to maintain peace and order for the first ministerial elections in the BARM. Luisa Elispe from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.